It's your favorite fat girl, Mara. Today on Mara's sauce, I will be making egusi soup for lunch. Where did I go from? Okay, guys. For my today's recipe, I'll be using egusi here, already blended. I have my goat meat, I have my red oil, my grinded crayfish, my stockfish, my smoked fish, I have my bomo cow skin, and then I'm using uziza leaf, and then I have my seasoning. I have my pepper and my onions to, do the justice. So right about now, we're gonna start with parboiling, or rather steaming, our meat. Steaming our meat and our stockfish. Just preparing our stock. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of onion. Just season my meat. Some stock cubes. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some crayfish. I love seasoning my meat with crayfish. It gives it this added flavor that I really like. Not too much. So we're just gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, so ouch! I'll have to add my cow skin. My cow skin is going in. It's going in. Having added my cow skin, now I'm adding my Cameroon pepper. I love Cameroon pepper because of the flavor it adds to my food. It gives you this native, village-ish aroma that I like. Probably because I'm a village girl or because I'm a traditional person. I don't know, but native things kind of turn me on. So this is my meat and every other obstacle still steaming. Okay, so my meat is ready. I'm just going to have to transfer it to another pot so I can use this saucepan to begin my soup. I'm preparing my egusi. So what I do, I put it on fire, a little water, and then when it warms up, I introduce my egusi into the warm water. Then you let it cook. One of the numerous ways to make egusi soup. I mean, there are so many ways. Like they say, there are plenty ways to kill the rats. So this is one of the so many ways you can make your egusi. So having mixed it in warm water, I'll add my oil. I'll add my oil, and then you gradually stir together. This way your egusi is drying up, your oil is cooking too. when I'm not in the mood to cook for so long, I don't even go through this method. I go through the backyard door. But what matters is the end product of your food anyway. My food always comes out nice. Oh, thanks to God. So we keep stirring that, stirring that, stirring that. Then at this point, I'm going to add my stock, my meat, and my every. Just stir it together. Add my mini crayfish. Add some more pepper. So you taste for your seasoning. Add if need be. A little more water so that the egusi can cook. After this, we're just going to cover it. So we're just going to cover it and let it simmer for some minutes. Then is to add our uziza leaf. I love the flavor uziza brings into egusi soup. It's magical. So we just stir it together, and our soup is ready like this. Egusi is not rocket science. The soup is ready. And the uziza leaf, just a teeny bit, just a teeny bit. Our egusi soup is ready to be munched. Our soup is so ready. Our soup is so ready. Oh my God. Whoopsie. So I'm having this with my oatmeal swallow. If you don't know how to make an oatmeal swallow, the video is up on my YouTube. You just go there and learn how to make this delicious healthy swallow. It's yum yum. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching. I was almost carried away with the food, man. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is the first time. Give this video a thumbs up if you love my recipe. God bless you.